In the popular card game Cafe of Chaos, there is a bonus action card called Catapult that you can get in the Royal Expansion Pack. This card can be a little confusing on how it is used, so I'll explain it here. When you play Catapult as one of your actions in a round, there are two options. You can play any number of food cards to your mat, or attack with all the food cards from the mat that you have stored up. This also does splash damage to the players left and right of your target. As you can see here in this round, I have put the Catapult action as my first action. In my hand, I have 4 foods and 1 condition. I will decide to play all my food cards to my mat and load the Catapult. Then we finished out the rest of the actions as normal and ended the round. As the next round commenced, and with my Catapult loaded, my first action was a grab, then a duck, then the Catapult. Seeing that I didn't have any more food to load onto the Catapult, and knowing that +6 damage attack from the Catapult would win the game, I decided to attack. Now remember, this acts as a regular attack, so people can duck and not get damaged. A little hint, target the person next to who you really want to get. Most of the time, splash damage cannot be dodged or blocked. If this video has helped, give me a thumbs up. In the comments, let me know if there are any other questions you have about the game.